Again, please welcome back Amy.
Thank you very much. Okay, I'm going to do a well-known favourite from Vera Lynn. Everyone should know this song, so I want to hear all the beautiful voices in front of me singing along. This is called We'll Meet Again. We'll meet again, don't know where, don't know where, but I know we'll meet again some sunny day. He's smiling through just like we always do, till the blue skies drive the dark clouds far away. So will you please say hello to the folks that I know? Tell them I won't be long. They'll be happy to know that as you saw me go, I was singing this song. We'll meet again, don't know where, don't know where, but I know we'll meet again some sunny day. This is where I want to hear you. Meet again, don't know where, don't know where, but I know we'll meet again some sunny day. He's smiling through just like you always do, till the blue skies drive the dark clouds far away. So will you please say hello to the folks that I know? Tell them I won't be long. They'll be happy to know that as you saw me go, I was singing this song. We'll meet again, don't know where, don't know where, but I know we'll meet again some sunny day. Thank you. Thanks very much. We all love a wee bit Vera Lynn, don't we? Especially those lot over there. He's loved that. Okay, we're going to...